Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a resume website in Squarespace. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to create the resume and publish it. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And now let's get started. So firstly, just open up squarespace.com and then log into your account, or you can create an account, which is pretty easy. So once you're on a account, once you've logged into your account, you'll get to this dashboard page here. Okay, so once you're on the dashboard page here, if you have created more websites on your account, you'll see that in your dashboard here. But like me, if you don't have any website yet, so what we're going to do once you're on this dashboard here, so we're going to start off with this option here, create website. Okay, so click on the create website option. Okay, and then this will open up this template page here where we're going to start building the website. So you're going to wait for this page to load here where we're going to customize. So here what's going to do, it's going to bring you up with popular templates here which you can use to you can use and then edit it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for, but since we are doing something to do with resume, so we're going to look for something that's related to resume probably, so you can just choose something related to resume. So let me look for some good ones here. So you can just simply look into it and then click on it and view it and see if that's good for you, if you like it. Okay, so for example, okay, so here in the templates you can, since we are going to look for something to do with resume, so you can use this category here, personal and CV. So click on that and that might all give you some suggestions more based on CVs and resume templates. So you can do something. So as you can see, there are more options here, so you can select something that best interests you. So for example, let's say if I like this one here, so I can just simply click on it. If you like a template, just click on it. So when you click on it, it will show you here overview of the website here. So how is it? So you can just scroll down and see if it's okay for you. And also what you can do, you can also use some color presence here. So if you don't want this color presence, you can choose something else here. So for example, if you click on this, you'll see that it changes, so different color patterns, so you can choose that. So for example, something like this, if you like this, you can go with that. Okay, so something like that. So if you want to choose that, you can choose that, or else leave it as it is. Click on start with this design. So this will take you to the design page here where we're going to customize it and do the rest of the things here for this website. Okay, so we'll just wait for this to load here. It might take some time for it to load, depends on the heaviness of the page. If the page is too heavy, it will take some little bit longer for it to set up everything and load the page. So for example, here, so this is the page that we just created. So what we can do now here is, on your left side here, you'll see this is the website, and if you want to see the pages, you can click on these pages to view the pages of it. So these are the pages you have. So the main thing here, you can simply add pages if you want to. So you can simply click on a page and click on the settings option to delete it, or to delete it, you can simply click on the delete bin icon here. Or if you want to edit it, you can click on this option here, and you can add more pages by using the plus icon here. So you can add a new page, you can do that, and then you can do all this move. If you want to move it around, you just have to click and drag it to, if you want to move it around. Okay, so these are the things you have. And then if you go back here, so what we're going to do now is simply edit the elements of this website here. So this is the website. So if you want to edit it, you can click on edit, click on the edit page, and that will take you to the editor page here. So here, once you're on the website editor, so here you can edit each and every elements of this page here. So depending on what's you need and what you don't need, you can just decide that. So for example, for your site title, you can edit here. So you can click on this edit site title. So you can click on this element and then hit on this pen icon, and then you'll be able to edit it here. So you can edit your site. So for example, let's say something, I want to add my name here, okay, something like that. And then if I have a logo, I can click on this and add a logo for myself. You can just add a logo here, and once that's done, so you can just leave it. So as you can see, I've changed that. Similarly, if you want to change each and everything here is customizable. So you can simply click on each one of these to edit it and customize it. Okay, so for example, so let's say you're done with this. So now what you're going to do, you can click on, if you want to add more elements, click on add elements, and then you can add like, you know, buttons if you want to, or in social media link, or a cart if you want to. It's like, you know, if you want a cart option, so anything that you want to add, you can just turn this switch on to add those elements. And then if you scroll down back here, you can simply click on this name here. So if you click on this here, you can change the name. So click on the element to change the name. So if you want to change this, you can simply click on it, and then click on this pen icon where you'll be able to edit it. Okay, so now what we can do, you can change the name and then add your name. You can fully customize it for your name. So let's say something like that. Okay, so do the same thing like that. And then for the photos, you can still do the same thing, change the photo, replace with your own one. So you can click on it. Okay, click on the photo and you can delete these. Okay, you can delete these, and then what are you going to do, you're going to click on it and then hit on this option here. And then what you can do, you can like add your own photo. So you can or if you want to add a photo, or if you want to make any other things, you can just do it here. Okay, you can do that. And then okay, once that's done, and if you don't want this photo, you can simply click on it to remove it, and that will remove the entire section for you. And if you want to add a section, you can simply, or depending on where you want to add a section, so for example, scroll to that area and then hit on this add section here. And then let's say you want to add a section about probably about the services that you offer. So if you click on the services here, and you can choose which template that you want to add here, like your services. So you can choose one of these. Okay, so you can like click on it, click one of it, and you'll see that you can add this now. And again, same thing, once you have added it, you can click on each of these element here to edit it. So you can edit the section. So you can add sections based on if you are providing, like for example, like a resume services where you create resumes. So you can do that here, our services. You can click on it and include resume making or resume auditing, something like that. If you are providing resume services, you can do that and add those things here. Okay, and that's one things. And then what you can do, you can also like if you're selling stuff also, you can like, if you click on, and once you're done with all the changes and everything, make sure to click on save, because that will save the changes that you made. Okay, click on save to change it. And then if you want to add, like for example, if you're sending any products or anything, so what you can do, you can also add products page. So for example, here you can, as I mentioned earlier, you can go to the pages section here and then add a products page. Okay, so for example, I want to add a new page here. Let's say so if you can add a blank page or also page layout, you can just select that and then select what type of page you want to add. So for example, like a service page. Okay, a service page or a menu or a digital product page. For example, if you click on the digital products, that will open up a digital product page. So maybe you can select that and then you can add it here. So you'll have like a, let's see if you can see, so you have added a products page here. So you can always go to that page and then simply edit it and then do all the customizations you want to based on the products that you have. So you can simply select it and then, you know, edit it and change the price and all those things and then edit it. So it depends on what you want to, what you're after. You can just edit all those things. Okay, and then what you can do next is, once you're done with all these edits and everything, so what we're going to do, you can just click on this preview option to see a preview of it. Okay, and also what you can do, you can go to the settings option here. So if you click on your dashboard, go to the settings option here, and then here if you want to add any payment method, let's say if you're doing any service or anything and you want to add a payments page, so it's a payment option. So you can click on selling, and then you can click on payments and then add like different types of payment types. So this varies depending on your location, so you can just click on which payment type you would like to accept. You can select it and then add it to your site as well. And once everything is done, then once you're all good to go, so you can simply like your publish your site and everything and get it live and all those things. Okay, and that's pretty much it is, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I will see you in another video. Thank you.